Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. So the day is finally here. Remember, I think a lot of gossip bloggers did post about this event that Uchef Xolani is hosting with Immortal Kitchens. It's a fine dining experience. I'll put a screenshot of the details here so that you can see, so that you can remember, because I know you guys know about it. So there are a few things that I want to talk about around this matter. The first one is remember when Uchef Xolani, mkhwenyana we country, umkhwenyana we South Africa, because anyways I'm not in South Africa. When he was pursuing Uvuyo, when they were dating, I think when they were still dating, those voice notes that came about, yonke le wishy when he was saying that, I think he was talking to his baby mama, when he was saying that, you know what, I know what I'm doing by marrying Uvuyo, by being close to Uvuyo. I'm trying to following yami, following. When I come back to SA, I'll set up my business, and all that. But in a nutshell, he was insinuating that he's sort of using Uvuyo for clout of some sort, so that he can gain a following, so that he can grow his business, because Uvuyo is already in the public eye. So now when he posted this event, he'll be hosting a fine dining experience and everything, people asked Uvuyo, are you going to be there? And Uvuyo was like, yes, of course I'm going to be there, because it's my husband, And then people were like, oh, now we are going to be there because Uvuyo will be there. Now we're going to be there. And then in my mind I'm like, how? Uxolani, a win is a win. But however, now that they are married, I think as long as they are happy, as long as Uvuyo is happy, Xolani is happy, it's all good, man. They're making money, it's for their family. So it was a good move. I would say, I must go ahead and say that for Uxolani, it was a good move. The mere fact that he is using, or he used the fact that Uvuyo is in the public eye, so he used it to get more money, to secure the bag and all that. It's a good strategy, by the way, but as long as they're happy, man, it's good. Anyways, Leo Malibazo idla bonke, so it's okay. Another thing that I wanted to talk about is if friendship Uvuyo and Uviki. People are saying Uvuyo must leave Uviki alone, Uvuyo must sokumele nje. Now it's time to uthi ngathi friendship yabo bengabi on each other's necks, something like that, because people are saying they don't trust Uviki, right? So I don't know, guys. I don't know. Is it because Uviki muhle? Is it because Uviki is a gorgeous hand? So probably that's why a lot of people are uncomfortable with the friendship that she has with Uvuyo. When I was reading comments on Facebook, it seemed like people are insinuating that it's like they're always together. It's like Uviki is always a +1 when it's Uvuyo and Uxolani. And I'm like, thing is, we don't know more about their lives. Maybe Vele, they are not always together, Maybe they pause. Obviously, we are not always with our friends, but if ever you go out with a friend, you obviously post that, oh, I was with my friend. So now it's appearing as if they are always together. Now people are saying, Uvuyo, it's time for her to let Uviki go. I don't know, man. If it was an ugly girl, if Vicky was an ugly girl, was it going to be the same thing? Were people going to think the same? Were people going to say Uvuyo akashiyane lo Viki if Uviki was an ugly girl? I think there's a stigma around beautiful girls, which makes a lot of sense. Actually. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and read a few comments, because those comments are from a post that Lady Londi on Facebook not posted as such. So Lady Londe on Facebook posted a picture of Uvuyo and Uviki. It's like they were preparing for the event eGaswali, we country, we South Africa. So now the comments under that post, uma kukhona umuntu engingamthembi ilo sis uyathanda shame ukuba u+1 emjolweni yabantu. Okay, uyaphi vele yena kahlehle noma imina ongazi nam hayi kanti yena iphi eyakhe indoda ngoba uyintombi and uvuyokazi uyokhala one day shame. Okay, so in a nutshell, people are saying Uviki is always a +1 emjolweni kavuyo. People are saying uyaphi kanti yena why engahlali ngiwo iphi yakhe indoda. Okay, I think people are just scared of the worst that might happen, right? Angazi mhlawumbe bacabanga ukuthi kumbe nini sizothiwa uvuyo no chef what I don't know, man. It's people just being scared because people love uvuyo so much. So anyways, it's understandable. Please do let me know what you think when on the comment section. Another thing, here's what I think. Phela is ma ungumuntu support uyayidinga, support from your friends, because phela now that you are married, it doesn't mean ukuthi now your husband has to be your friend. I have heard of some people saying that if you are married, you must not have friends, your husband has to be your friend. In my personal opinion, I think that's so wrong, because I feel like your life doesn't have to stop just because you're married. So now your life has to be all about your husband. I think umuntu now is obsessed with the husband, because husband ule life maybe husband is someone who plays soccer on spare time, or sometimes he goes to chill with the gents out there when we are. Or if husband decide to akugile, then now because husband is your friend, ikugile friend, now uyakhalela kubani. So I think married women do need friends, guys. They do need friends. I just think it's a pity just that ukuthi uvuyo eyakhe friend is a gorgeous Han. So now because she's a gorgeous Han, abantu they see her as a potential I don't want to use the word threat, but as a potential somebody who might, I don't know, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. So please do let me know what you think on the comment section about this whole thing. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.